is light?
Okay, light is energy that comes as photons in wave form, and the wavelength will determine the color. That's as I understood it. It is important in my field of dermatology because we use light energy in order to treat patients' skin. In my practice, I use the light energy mainly for cosmetic treatments. I have a device that uses intense pulse light, and that uses light energy that's in the visible light range, the wavelengths that are visible. By using this light energy, I'm able to pulse the light on the skin, and it actually heats up certain chromophores or pigments in the skin. The energy is absorbed by that pigment, it causes heat, and then that pigment breaks down, allowing the pigment to be distributed out through the skin so that we can get freckles and sunspots to be removed that way. We also have a handpiece that uses infrared light as a means to heat areas below the surface of the skin because the wavelength is longer, the energy is different, it's able to go through the skin, ignore pigment, and thereby actually heat the collagen below the skin. That heat energy that was changed from the photon energy to heat energy then stimulates the collagen to be formed because the body thinks it got injured, and that actually causes a tightening of the skin, formation of new collagen, essentially a repair mechanism of the skin to make someone look younger. I also use another handpiece that uses a diode to use higher energy photons that can heat the skin even more aggressively, and this can be used to stimulate even more strongly in small areas collagen formation because the body thinks it got injured, and thereby I can treat wrinkles. Some people use ablative lasers. Those are wavelengths of light that are so strong, and the absorbing molecule is water, and that actually causes the water to so-called boil or heat, and you can actually get destruction of lesions of the skin. So this is more where you think of destructive lasers. We often use that to resurface the surface of the skin, to heat blood vessels and other issues like that. So it's used a lot in light energies for dermatology. We also use light boxes, which I don't have, light boxes that use ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light boxes are used to treat conditions such as psoriasis, because we know that the ultraviolet range of light energy actually can inhibit the immune cells of our skin. So by going in ultraviolet light, we suppress immune response to the skin, and since some conditions are actually caused by abnormal immune responses, we can make those conditions better. And so we actually put people in a light box, expose them to ultraviolet light, and it improves conditions such as psoriasis. We do know that light energy from the sun, including ultraviolet light naturally received on the planet, can cause DNA damage that causes skin cancers. So for that reason, light energy from the environment is very important in my practice because I have to look at people's skin to look for that DNA damage that is then manifested as skin cancers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.